Also joining us this afternoon, Senior Deputy Minority Leader Congressman Egay Erice. Sir, welcome back to Storycon. Thank you for joining us this afternoon.
Hi,
Good
Congressman. Ed and Ami, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, balikan ko lang yung screenshots that you said that you saw na pinakita sa inyo ni Congressman Leandro Lebiste,
Yes.
where it appeared to show na nag-acknowledge daw yung presidente na tumanggap siya ng so many billion, I think 8 billion from Aiden Bersamin. I got that right, no? That
Yeah.
was...
I think ang pinaka-gist ng conversation over months of text messages na merong 8 billion actually mga almost 8 billion from the flood control mess from Engineer Bernardo, another 1.4 billion from the Bureau of Customs, and another almost 500 million from the President's confidential funds. Yun yung subject ng kanilang conversation.
conversation.
Over from 2024 to 2025.
And this
yung
was...
pinakahuli is about July 9. Yun yung pinakahuli.
And this was shown to you by Congressman Lebiste, both to you
Yes.
and to the members of the Makabayan Bloc. And they've also made that same announcement as well, if I recall correctly.
Not just Makabayan Bloc, but also some members of Congress.
Sir, have you been, but I suppose the bigger challenge at this point is, of course, it's all interesting, it should be looked into, but the bigger challenge is establishing authentication or authenticity. How can one be able to authenticate that that message really did come from the president, and that's a real screenshot of a conversation?
That's why I'm urging Senator Lacson, because he's the first one who named the Bersamins as recipients of the Tardo 8 billion. Diba? Siya yung una nagsabi nun eh. So, kaya lang, pagkatapos niyang sabihin yon, bigla na lang nagkaroon ng gulo, nag-resign tinanggal si
Bersamin.
Yes, Bersamin, pero hindi niya pinatawag. Yun na, malaking misteryo sa akin yun eh. Malaking misteryo sa akin yun na hindi yan pinatawag ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Diba? So, I think it's high time for Senator Lacson to call the Bersamins, call Leon Lebiste para ma-verify ito dahil very serious allegations. At nakita ko hindi naman pwedeng basta na lang i-compose yung mga text messages na yun eh. In fact, there are items in the text messages that do not concern kickbacks but other important national issues. So yun yung nakita ko at actually yung nakita ko mga items talagang lumalabas, ginamit ito, maramihan dito ginamit sa 2025 national and local elections. And nakalagay din doon that the Alianza senators received something from this source. So, syempre, kilala nyo naman kung sino yung mga Alianza senators. So, at nakita rin natin doon na merong pangalan doon ni Congressman Toby Chanco being the campaign manager of the Alianza and a name of a very well-known entertainer who received millions of pesos from this source. Actually, tinanong ko si Congressman Chanco, sabi ko, totoo ba na mayroong ganito para kay ganito? Sabi niya, totoo yan. Dumadaan sa akin, pero hindi ko alam kung saan ang source. Basta ako ang campaign manager, ako yung nagsasabi kung sino yung mga babayaran. Pero hindi ako makahawak ng pera.
Sino yung entertainer?
Well, very well-known entertainer, si Andrew E.
Sabihin mo.
Andrew E.
Andrew E.
Congressman, Congressman, nagtatanungan mga tao kung kailan marirelease kahit konti ng mga sinasabing text messages. Bakit ayaw ilabas? Ang dami-dami ng mga lawmakers na nagsasabing meron silang
I'm urging na actually Congressman Libiste to really release the nasa USB naman niya, madali naman eh. Madali naman. Kaya lang ang apprehension niya, natatakot siya for specifically for Yusek Bersamin. It seems that they have some close relationship, so natatakot siya kasi nagpunta raw sila sa isang bishop at ang sinabi raw ng bishop, wag ilabas. So, ilalabas nila, they're parang asking support from the religious sector, pero yung kinausap nilang bishop, diniscourage sila. So, yun yung apprehension nila dahil alam niyo naman natin na very powerful yung apektado nitong files na ito.
Pero wala na sa pwesto yan eh. Saka yan ang iniisip ng mga tao hanggat wala yan, hanggat wala yung pruweba na text messages, kahit konti man lang na screenshot, parang nag-iimbento lang ng istorya yung mga nag-aakusa.
Alam mo, wala namang mawawala kung magkakaroon ng investigation. Meron namang sinabi, may tao, kung sino, yung mga tao, pwede ipatawag. Alam mo, yan ang problema sa atin, Ami. Binuksan yung ITI, pag lumalapit na sa mga cabinet members, sa Malacanang, ito. Tapos yung BRC, nung lumalapit na sa Malacanang, malapit na sa cabinet members, hinihinto. So wala talagang
Kaya ilabas nyo na lang nga yung kung ano yung hawak nyo. Para mapilitang buksan yung investigasyon.
Pero anong proper dapat nga doon sa kaya naman nilabas siya kaya naman kami kinausap ni Congressman Libiste kasi ang sabi niya para hindi ma-dismiss yung kaso, pwede naming ilabas yung kaya lang bandang ulin nilang talagang kahit na anong gawin namin madi-dismiss din naman, so walang quorum, umatras sila, parang gano'n.
Pero sir, kasi if the concern is the safety of for example, Bersamin,
not only the safety, but the proper forum where to expose it. Diba?
Yes, sir. I understand, sir. Also that one. But basically, you guys already exposed it, except that it's an exposure that's only halfway. In other words, you're talking about it, but you're not showing it. So,
wala lang yung
in the same way, I was saying if it's
pang sinasabi pa sa amin ni Congressman Libiste, they are just waiting for the proper time. Yun ang sinabi. At kaya naman na inailabas siya because of si Congressman Antonio Tino, binanggit niya yan during the deliberation dun sa impeachment proceedings ng ating Pangulo during pero hindi na rin pinakinggan ng committee. At pagkatapos, hindi na rin pinakinggan ng plenary. At kaya lang naman ako nagsalita dahil binanggit yung pangalan ko.
Kasi kahit naman na-dismiss yung impeachment case, you can still go after the other players sa ngayon. Habang immune from another impeachment complaint si Presidente, pwede nyo pa namang habulin si Adrian Bersamin.
Actually, Adrian Bersamin, siya yung nagsabi na si Congressman Libiste, pinoprotektahan niya si Yusek Bersamin kasi si Yusek Bersamin, when the Bersamins were named, nagpunta sa bahay niya, may CCTV footage na nagpunta kasama ilang abogado, gumawa affidavit, kaya naiwan sa kanya yan. So, dahil natatakot, kaya niya naman gumawa ng affidavit, si Yusek Bersamin, natatakot siya, baka siya magiging fall guy. At naiisip nila na after 2028, paano kung wala na si Presidente, baka sila naman yung ang sinasabi nila, siya lang naman yung taga-dispute, siya lang naman yung taga-tanggap.
Sir, I get what you mean. You're looking for the proper venue, you're looking for a proper time, and you're looking for
it's dahil ang unang-una naman si Senator Lacson you can ask Senator Lacson bakit siya nagbanggit ng mga pangalan ng mga Bersamin, ba't hindi niya pinatatawag sa Blue Ribbon Committee?
But at the same time, I understand, sir, the concerns, but at the same time, the fact is na ilabas na ninyo partway, people are talking about it, but it's not getting anywhere because nakalabas na yung ulo, hindi lumabas yung buong katawan. Ganun din. Nagiging
sabi nga namin, it's really up to the decision of the Congressman Libiste. Ang sinasabi niya sa amin, there will be proper time. Yan ang sinasabi niya sa amin. And
Si Congressman Tino, meron din siyang kopya ng screenshot. Bakit hindi rin ilabas?
kopya, hindi din giba sa copy, pinabasa niya lang sa amin lahat.
Oo.
Pinabasa niya lang sa amin. Actually, kaya naman namin natatandaan, dahil pinakita niya sa amin yan in 3 occasions. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Before the impeachment, nung magkaroon na ng plenary. Before that, kasi gusto nga niya, sana ilalabas namin ito sa plenary. Pero nagdalawang isip siya na ilabas ito. So I think it's just fair if actually we're trying to help uncover the truth by urging the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee to summon the Bersamins, summon Congressman Libiste para lumabas yung katotohanan.
Kasi ang sasabihin diyan ng Senado, give us a stronger reason to open the case. Parang nagtuturuan yung mga tao.
The chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee who accused that the Bersamins received money from Engineer Bernardo. That's enough reason to summon them. Bakit? Tanong.
Kailangan
Bakit
tanongin namin.
Senator Lacson, bakit hindi mo pinatawag? Ikaw ay nagbulgar.
Tinatanong din nga kasi yung bakit di nyo pakita yung screenshot?
Wala nga akong kopya, si Congressman Libiste lang. At marami kaming congressman na nakakita.
Hindi pinadala sa cellphone nyo? Baka naman may kopya ka na sa cellphone.
Hindi, wala talagang pinadala. Actually, I was asking Leandro, kung hindi mo kaya magsalita, bigay mo sa akin lahat, ako magsasalita.
Okay.
Ayaw niya. Takot siya kasi nga sabi niya na nag-try sila to ask the blessing of a bishop, hingi ng tulong. Ang sabi sa kanila ng bishop, huwag niyo ilabas.
Kasi kailangan ibang tao Hindi dapat si Congressman Libiste because he has issues with the government at this point
Well,
Inimbestigahan siya
tinanong ko siya, ano ba lahat ng mga kausap ko, tinatanong ko yung motibo
Oo.
Motibo mo, Leanne, bakit mo ilalabas yan? Meron ka ba, may hiningi ka ba leverage sa gobyerno? Meron ka mga kasalanan? Sabi niya, wala. So,
But he's under investigation Sana si Congressman Tino maglabas para walang masasabi na baka ginagawang leverage lang to for something, no?
Tinanong ko lahat ng mga nakakita, tinanong ko yung mga motibo nila. At ako, disclose ako sa kanila, sabi ko, wala akong ibang motibo dito, kundi para malaman yung katotohanan, para sa bayan, kasi nakikita ko na hanggang walang closure, itong flood control mess na ito, itong pinaka-corruption na ito, sa buong bansa, babagsak yung ekonomiya natin. Yan yung pinaka-main concern ko. Daan-daan libo na walang trabaho, nalulugi yung mga kumpanya, GDP natin siguro ang hula ko by first quarter, baka 2%.
At any rate,
And it's the main concern of the president. Siya nag-umpisa nito. Pero pagdating sa investigation, parang napipigil. He's the most powerful man in the Philippines. May kakayahan siya para malaman lahat ito. Pero di niya inaalam. Ang dami niyang pinangako, ipapakulong sa ganito, ipapakulong sa ganito. Walang nangyayari. Bubuo ng independent commission, walang nangyayari. Yeah. Kaya sino may pinakamalaking responsibilidad? Si President. Kaya tatanong ko sa kanya, matagal ko na sinasabi, 2023, 300 billion, 2024, 500 billion, 2025, 473 billion. sinalaula yung budget niya, yung para sa mga matitinong proyekto, nilagay sa flood control, 1.445 trillion. Bakit siya pumayag? Oh, di ba? Bakit siya pumayag?
Wala bang
It's the
congressman
president's fault.
gustong
It's the president's responsibility. Kaya lang, ang lagi sinasabi, parang lahat lahat parang ayaw tanungin si presidente. In one way or the other, di ko alam kung bakit. Kaya nga sabi nila, bakit ikaw lang nagtatanong? Ba't yung iba hindi? Yung media hindi. Mas pati yung mga kasama ko sa partido, sa kasama ko sa grupo namin, sa Pinklawan, sa Dilawan, bakit hindi nagtatanong?
Tinatanong naman sila kung ano nangyari doon sa investigasyon kay
Kaya nga,
Martin Romualdez, kailan uuwi si Saldico, ano na nangyari kay Executive Secretary Bersamin.
alam naman natin si Presidente, pinsang buo ni Speaker Martin. Kaya nga siya naging speaker, super majority, ibig sabihin, di ba? So, the President has all the capability to know the truth. It seems that the President is not interested to know the truth.
Actually, sir, I think naman a lot of people echo what you're saying na there's a great deal of disappointment over the number and the quality of people who have been brought to court over the
In
flood
fact,
control
nakita
scandal.
na nga doon sa trust rate bumagsak
Yung mga nakukulong naman, yung mga nag-implement lang ng mga proyekto na wala silang
It's a small
capability, akwa ng ganyang pondo kung hindi pinayagan ng gobyerno.
But at the same time, kasi it's also I suppose it's also a measure of fiscalizing. You can only expect you can only expect so much from.
Bakit ginagawa mo? Sabi ko, wala namang gumagawang iba
Yeah. Anyway, sir, let me put it this way lang. For example, we've been trying to get Leandro Lebiste to get in the program to talk about these screenshots. Kasi obviously these are screenshots that supposedly demonstrate a conversation between the president and another person involving huge
Bakit hindi
amounts.
labas?
So we want to see the screenshots. We want to know the veracity. We'd like to know kung paano mapapatunayan, for example, yung authenticity at yung legitimacy ng mga ito. That's a good way to start the conversation rolling. Kasi we cannot ask the president to explain this if we do not even have anything to show for it. For example, we've never even seen the screenshots.
I'm trying to convince Congressman Lebiste. Sabi ko, merong release lahat.
Nagbe-break up siya. Ano?
Yes, sir. Sir, you're getting choppy, sir.
Wala siya. Pakiulit lang, sir.
Sir, can you repeat, sir? Can you slow down and repeat?
Nagbe-break up po kayo, Congressman.
Pero
Sir, can you hear us, sir?
Nawala
Mukhang
siya.
naputol.
actually,
Okay.
hello.
Yes, sir. There you go. I think that's better now. Sir, can you repeat?
I'm trying to convince him to release it. Pero, yan, okay na.
Yes, sir. That's better.
Hello.
Okay na.
Hello.
Okay na po.
Go, sir.
Oo.
Hello.
Go, sir.
Opo.
Hi.
Yes.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes. Sige po, salita po kayo. Ayan,
Go,
nawala
sir.
tuloy.
Ay, naputol.
Nawala tuloy.
Okay. Anyway, as we were trying to say, we're trying to get in touch with Congressman Luis to talk about this kasi, several good points from Congressman Luis, pero for us to be able to mount a challenge, we have to be able to see what's on the table first. Di ba?
Tatanungin tayo.
Yeah, that's the basis for
Ano
everything.
ba yung pinag-uusapan natin? Yan nasasabihin sa atin.
So, yun. So, with hope to get him to talk about these things and to show us the screenshots and to talk about how it can be authenticated, how people can be assured na these are actual screenshots of a conversation. Because screenshots are, of course,
Kahit
just
mga
screenshots. They're
isa
basically
o
text.
dalawang screenshot lang, diba? Kasi mukhang marami daw yung conversation eh.
Yeah.
Hindi kahit 1 or 2 lang, ano.